Hello and welcome back to Science Experiments. This is a series where we will be doing experiments based on science. So, in today's episode, we will be testing the buoyancy of the boats. And the two boats' names are Sailor Coins and Koinu. As you see here, we'll be putting coins on them and test if they how long they'll sink. And also we have backup coins. Please, before we start the video, please like and subscribe and share this video with others. Also, please just subscribe. Just without questions, subscribe. And stick around after this video for a special announcement. Wow. That can be a blooper. I'm gonna keep that. So anyways, let's test. So Sailor Coins, let's test that first. Okay, so it's floating, and let's see how long it can float. Let's adjust view, and boom. 1 nickel, 2 nickels, 3 nickels, 4 nickels, 5 nickels, 6 nickels, 7 nickels, 8 nickels, 9 nickels, 10 nickels, 11 nickels, 12 nickels, 13 nickels, 14 nickels, 15 nickels, 16 nickels. Let's see if it keeps them floating for 3 seconds. And it just so happens to do. So we're going to add quarters now. 1 quarter, 16 nickels and 1 quarter, 16 nickels and 2 quarters. And let's see how long will this float. Seriously. 3 quarters, 4 quarters, and is it gonna sink? Yes, and it sinks. The boat sinks. Now let's be very careful with it. Yes, the coins make a hole. So yeah. Poor Sailor Coins, which fell. Anyways, let's test the other ones. So now we have Koinu. Let's get the nickels first. You can skip over this part if you want. Okay, readjusting it, and let's go. Koinu on the surface. So, you know what? This isn't big enough. What a blooper. I'm gonna keep this.